Good day everyone, as I promised, ito yung ating reviewer para sa physical science. Okay, question. Ito yung question. What is the interstellar medium primarily composed of? So the answer is dust and gas. What is a nebula? So the answer is a nebula is a cloud of dust and gas where stars form. Next question. The first stage in the formation of a star is blank. So yung first stage ay pre-stellar core. Next question. A protostar forms when blank. So paano daw nabubuo ang protostar? Ang sagot, a nebula collapses due to gravity. Yan. Next question tayo. Stellar nucleosynthesis refers to blank. So, stellar nucleosynthesis refers to the process of forming new elements in stars. Next question. A star depends most of its life in the answer is main sequence phase. Next question. What determines how a star evolves? The answer, its mass. Next question. The final stage of a high mass star is? The answer, black hole or neutron star. Next question. What happens when a massive star runs out of nuclear fuel? The answer, it collapses and may explode as a supernova. Next question. What is the heaviest element that can be formed through stellar nucleosynthesis? The answer, iron. Next question. Democritus' idea of atomism suggested that? The answer, atoms are indivisible and move through empty space. Next question. Which philosopher opposed Democritus' atomic theory? The answer, Aristotle. Next question. According to Aristotle, matter is composed of? The answer, the four elements: fire, air, water, and earth. Next question. What are the three subatomic particles of an atom? The answer, proton, neutron, and electron. Next question. Who discovered the electron? The answer, J.J. Thomson. Next question. Who discovered the nucleus using the gold foil experiment? The answer, Ernest Rutherford. Next question. The atomic number of an element represents? The answer, the number of protons in an atom. Next question. Henry Moseley contributed to atomic theory by? The answer, proposing that elements should be arranged by atomic number. Next question. What is a transuranium element? The answer, an element heavier than uranium. Next question. What is the function of a particle accelerator? The answer, to break apart atoms for scientific study. Next question. What type of nuclear reaction powers the sun? The answer, nuclear fusion. Next question. In alpha decay, an unstable nucleus emits blank. The answer, a helium nucleus. Next question. What happens in beta decay? The answer, a neutron turns into a proton and emits an electron. Next question. Which nuclear reaction occurs naturally and causes an atom to break apart into smaller fragments? The answer, spontaneous fission. Next question. Positron decay occurs when? The answer, a proton turns into a neutron and emits a positron. Next question. The cyclotron is used to? The answer, accelerate charged particles to high speeds. Next question. Nuclear transmutation is the process of blank. The answer, converting one element into another. Next question. Which scientist is credited with the discovery of neutrons? The answer, James Chadwick. Next question. Which nuclear reaction produces the most energy? The answer, fusion. And last question. The main difference between fission and fusion is that? The answer, fission splits atoms while fusion combines them. Thank you for watching.